and today I'll be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems, an elephant and piggy book. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop. Chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald. Stick. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. But I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, doctor, thank you, doctor. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you.
You should have covered his snout and made Piggy sick.
Why would somebody be so excited to have a cold, though?
Because he's not allergic. It means it's just temporary.
But
What's the lesson learned here?
Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough.
That's right.
Make sure to check out all my other videos. Keep watching and keep reading. See you soon.